that the planning application to extend the Bala Lake Railway into the town has recently been refused by the Snowdonia National Park. When our application was put before the Planning Committee, the members were very supportive, but had to follow the guidance of the Planning Department. We've been encouraged to submit a revised application at the earliest opportunity. The railway has terminated here for the last 50 years. It's a remote destination with no facilities, no car parking, and it's nearly a mile outside the town. By extending the railway to this site that we've recently acquired, we're just off the high street. Visitors will be able to arrive here, leave their cars, and get out into the town and on the railway to enjoy all that it has to offer. This is why we feel so strongly about this project. We have now begun the new planning application. And while we can salvage quite a lot of the reports from the previous one, there's still a lot of work to do. We've currently spent £250,000 on surveys, analysis and reports to get where we are at the moment. But we need to raise a further £100,000. Now towards the end of May, we've raised over 30,000 of that. Please can we ask you to support us in any way you can by visiting the website address below. We promise you Bala will get its railway. Once built, it will be completely sustainable and be part of a successful, popular and well-established tourist attraction. Thank you.